Going to be removing these injectors. 2012 740i 3.0 liter turbo. You gotta squeeze these tabs down here. And then they just pull off. These bolt holes were 5mm Allens. Got another one under here. I need 2 hands. Gonna change out these rear 3. One all the way back here, which is gonna be a pain. Already loosened these. We're gonna take this section out. I ran out. There should be some more rolls around here somewhere though. I just don't know where they're at.
My buddies used to give me sleeves of them.
He said those are new batteries. That's what he said.
I about got my batteries put in a dump truck. There you go.
Is that where you getting them from?
I'm getting a new type.
Yeah, this is gonna take 2 hands to disconnect these injectors. Looks like 5mm. Actually, looks like it's missing one down there already. Somebody been here. Maybe they just shake out. So crappy. Hot dog. Oh, I done left it over here. Hold on 1 second. Get these other injectors unplugged right quick. Alright, well, I took this wire off back here. It's an 8mm nut. I got all that out of the way. Apparently there's no way to depressurize the fuel system other than cracking the line. And there's two batteries. So there's an auxiliary battery somewhere, because when I disconnected the one in the rear, it still had power. BMW service literally said to just stuff rags in the spark plug holes to keep fuel out. So what we gotta do is take this loose right here, that bolt in the center, which looks like a E10, maybe a 12, and one in the back. But first we're gonna crack this line, and this line loose very slowly to depressurize the fuel system. It look like 14s. We're about to find out. Look at her. Now, this thing's probably got 3000 M-bar. What it said anyways. So release slowly. Guess it wasn't as much pressure as it said it had. Go ahead and knock this one. Hell, that wasn't hardly any pressure in there at all. These lines, they say, can be re-screwed a maximum of 10 times. So let me get a E socket to loosen these up right quick. Looks like a E10. This cylinder 4 is the one that kept fouling the plug out. We're going to be changing this whole rear bank. These are all index number 9s. If you check your BMW and you have any index number 10 or lower, you should change all your injectors out. minimum, you need to change one whole bank, meaning 1, 2, 3, or 4, 5, 6. If they're index 11 or higher, you only need to change out the one that you have an issue with. The index number can be found, whoops, right there. You see those letters on the side of it? Hard to focus, but right here it says 09. Yours says 10 or lower. Replace them all. Got a little fuel bubbling out there. Suck that up. Might need 2 hands to get this out. There's that injector number I was talking about. Probably shouldn't use the wide angle lens for this, because I can't automatic focus or zoom in. It don't look like. There we go. Anyways, that's the hole will come out of. Need to clean that hole out, make sure it's dry, absolutely dry. This here is our new injector. You see it has index 12. This cap on the bottom of it, never remove this cap until you're ready to put them in. It's the sizer for the Teflon seal underneath of it. And only after the hole's been dried out and cleaned and you're ready to insert it right then you pull that off and insert it into the head as fast as possible. And it will seal up around the hole, and they basically kind of melt to the head when they get hot. But it's supposed to and should properly go in dry after you've cleaned the hole out, after you got everything ready and you're ready to insert it. Just pop that cap off the bottom of it, pull that off, and insert it into the head right away, and you should be good to go. And just do that with the rest of them. Some of these are like this one here is feels a little bit stickier than the other one, but you just got to keep working at it and kind of wiggling it around, and eventually they will come out. I don't know if you could spray some kind of lube down in there and then dry it out afterwards to help get it out, but they pretty much just pull out however you can wiggle and pull on them. And I'm just going to go ahead and do that for these other 2 cylinders, but that's pretty much how that works. You can clean that out with shop air, a little bit of brake cleaner and some shop air. Get that nice and clean and dry and blow it out. Then grab your injector, pull the cap off the bottom, and insert it right away. And you should be good to go. I do believe though, after these are installed, there will be some injector coating. I will cover that if I can. That may be something you need if you don't have the software or the tool, or anyone that does, that you have to take to a shop and get done. But that's pretty much it. That's how you change the injectors in these things. Thanks for any future videos, or if you need any help, comment, like, subscribe. Just help me out by doing that. And I normally answer to all my questions as soon as possible. So just give me that thumbs up. Thank you.